Good morning, IOBians. Today we'll be showing you one small project. It's called an employee attendance module, which is done by our own Gautam sir and Manju sir. So step by step, he'll be explaining all the process. So here is Gautam sir explaining how to actually put your employee attendance here. Go.
Okay. First we'll start with the Raspberry Pi. So we'll log in into Raspberry Pi first module. So you can already see that we have logged in into our Raspberry Pi module. So first I'm going to start with I'm going to first open my code. Okay. For a brief, I'll just show the code written. After that, I'll show the running of the code. Okay. This is the code. So we'll show the running of the code now. You can see here, after running my code, your option will get select 1 to read, 2 to write. So first I am going to write my tag this. So for that I am going to press 2. So it will ask you give your name. So for that I am going to give a name Manjunath. Manjunath initial. Yes. Okay, Manjunath S. I have given a name as Manjunath X. So it's gonna ask me place your tag to write. So I'm gonna place my tag here to write. So you can see here, you can see the comment there, it is written. You can see the comment over there, it is written. So now I'm gonna read this tag. So for that I'm gonna press 1. So here you're gonna see there place your tag to read. So for that again I'm gonna place the same tag to read here. Okay, yeah. Now you can see Manjunath with the ID number as written over there. Now, after that, these and all will be stored in a text file. I am going to show you how to open the text file also. Okay, here it is. Data. Okay, here you can see whatever the data we have read using the card has been stored in a data file using a file handling. We have done this using file handling. So after this data will be stored in a database that will be explained by Manjunath.
Yeah, you can see there is a.
Achha, I can get it.
You see, this is a database setup which we can access using PHP MyAdmin. So for PHP MyAdmin, we might require some facts called WAMP server. There are two servers. One is a WAMP, which is for Windows, and another one is for Linux. We use the LAMP server. Okay. So we here, since Raspberry Pi works on Linux-based operating systems, that's why we installed the LAMP in Raspberry Pi. So we can access this PHP MyAdmin. And using this IP, you can see 192.168.0.116 is there. So using this IP, we can access this thing with another system also remotely. So this is the database. Here you can see the ID. We have kept some 3 columns for this. One is ID, second one is the name, and the third one is a time. Yeah. So this is the ID card, ID number of the, default ID of the RFID card, and this is the name which we have stored for that one, and the time when the card is read. Okay, so refresh it. So once it is refreshed, yeah, you can see the one which we read now, Manjunath S, and the name, time, and the date of that time when it was read. So it will be stored in the database. It's similar to biometric and it's like you will be seeing this thing in some companies where they show their ID card to open the door or something like that.
Yeah,
That can be implemented in the further improvement of this project. Thank you.